Here we are at Stevens Run at the Gettysburg Rec Park. I'm going to show you how to test the water for its salinity levels. So we'll use one of these chloride test strips. If you look inside the container, this is what the test strips look like to start with. You can see there's an orange line running straight up the center, and that orange line is solid. And then you can see there's another orange line going across the top here. The part that I'm holding in my fingers is where we want to keep it dry, and the part down below at the bottom, this is what we'll put into the water. Before we can use our testing strip, we need to rinse out our container. So I'm going to come in the stream, get a little bit of water, swish it around to rinse out my container, and then I'll dump it off on the side. I'm going to do that 3 times just to make sure that I don't contaminate my sample with any other stream water. Then I'll go ahead and fill up just a little bit of water. I put my test strip right down into it, and I'm going to let that in for about 5-10 minutes. What I'm watching for is this orange line that's right up here at the top, the horizontal one that goes side to side. When that turns black, my test is done and we'll be able to read the results. And that's all you need to do to test your water sample.